How can I win with this kind of a team? Nonsense.
Did you see that, grandfather? Mithai is a confectioner. What can Mithai understand by seeing the drawings? I just don't like this. All he knows is to do projects.
Mithai, will you stop? Please don't talk so much now. We all must understand Siddharth's plan very well, shouldn't we? And Dad, we can't be so afraid. Where is Mom? Mom! Mom! Mom, you two join us. Come here and understand the plan.
Okay, let me explain the plan to everyone. Aunt Sulata, Aunt Opa, and Nanda will serve the sweet. Mithai will make the sweet, okay? And Shri and Nipa belong to the welcome committee. Ratul, Rajiv, Shom, and Uncle will supervise the whole thing, okay?
And what about me? Did you count my wife and me out?
Well, actually, I want you to attend the event as my guests. Actually, my boss has asked me to be ready to receive this award. I really don't know if I'll get the award or not. There are many contenders. For the first time, PCG is hosting a party of this level, that too in Kolkata city.
Siddharth, you have given us so much honor. We will definitely come. Hey, listen.
Huh.
Please order new saris for all of us.
Yes. What? For everyone?
Why not, Dad? We have such huge responsibilities on us.
Dad, what did I say earlier? We will handle the responsibility of the business.
Siddharth, do you think that these two will be able to handle it?
Did you see that, Appa? Did you see? Amrish always demeans me.
Uncle Amrish, generally only women make pita and serve them.
If that happens, then Grandpa has no chance of winning the challenge. Everyone will be trained by me, okay? And everyone make sure that Mithai shouldn't serve the sweet. She'll create a mess out of everything.
Did you notice, grandfather? I'm being belittled every moment. I'm here just because you have taken up the challenge, or else I wouldn't be a part of all this.
Mithai, Sid also knows within his heart that we are helpless without you.
What else? Hey, silly girl. Making the sweet is the real job.
Only because of you all, Mithai calms down quickly. Or else Mithai can also lose her cool and become angry.
That's right. That's right. Well, Amrish, have you prepared the other desserts that are part of the menu?
Yes, of course. We'll have your favorite sweet, Dad. Then milk sweet, flour sweet. And yes, one more thing. Do you know our genius Mithai's next idea? She will make baked sweets.
Oh, wow.
And there will be some other desserts as well, like Siddharth has planned before. Tell them.
Okay, let me show the plan to everyone. Okay. At the party, the sweet will be highlighted as the main, okay? There'll be other counters as well, but this is a special counter. Look here. There'll be separate counters.
Oh Lord, please help this boy to maintain his positive transformation.
May I come in?
Oh, you're already here. Please come in.
Please. Thank you, sir. Take this.
Siddharth, a new suit? Are you going to get the award?
That's the norm, Rajiv.
You have done the right thing. We all want to see how good you look in this suit. Go and change.
Yes, go.
Yes. I will ensure the perfect fitting before I leave. Please go and check.
Please have a seat.
Yes, thank you. Is there a large mirror in this house?
What?
Yes, mirror. Of course, there's a large mirror. We must see how Sid will look after wearing the suit. Brother Rajiv, let's go and bring the mirror. Come along.
Please have a
Yes,
seat.
please have a seat.
Yes.
No one should cast an evil eye on Sid. He's looking so handsome.
How wonderful. Very nice. Amazing. But he isn't more handsome than your husband.
Look what this oldie is saying.
Great. This suit fit you very well. eh?
Not bad, Siddharth Modak. Now only a pocket square is missing. What all do I have? Or else I'll have to buy a new one.
Nanda, your brother is quite stylish, isn't he?
My brother is someone rare to be found. Can you imagine, Rajiv, how much he has achieved in life? And he did all this without any help.
Hey, just stop it, okay? If Mithai had not taken his laptop to him at the right time that day, then your brother wouldn't be posing in that new suit. Do you understand? Now, everyone is excited about the fact that he'll get the award, but it's because of Mithai. We can't forget that.
What are you saying, Brother Rajiv? Mithai has just helped a bit. Mr. Sid already has a great reputation at his office.
Hey, Nanda, please come here. Come here. Come here. Tell me, how's this looking?
I am not much aware of all this. Wait, I'll bring
No,
Nipa.
not Nipa.
What?
Absolutely not Nipa. Since she has no control over her laughter and tears, she might just come here and start crying after seeing Siddharth's new suit. Okay, Siddharth, once the Indian Suite wins the show, we have to seriously give a thought to Nipa's project.
Rajiv, until the party gets over, please don't think about anything else. Please. Where's the cover of the suit?
Here it is. This is the cover of your suit, right? Here you go.
Did you fold this?
Hmm.
How could you? Hey, what have you done?
Hmm?
Now I can neither keep the trouser nor the blazer in it.
What's wrong with you, Sid? What is there to shout so much? The cover can be straightened up easily by shaking it. There won't be any creases, believe me.
Yes. Tell me, Siddharth, why do you become so agitated at the drop of a hat?
No, Rajiv, you don't know her nature. She can never keep anything in its proper place. She keeps everything wrapped in a bundle, do you know? I keep everything inside the cupboard. See it for yourself. See this?
Mithai, does Sid arrange your clothes too these days? What have you done to my brother? Hmm?
Nanda, tell me, do you ever remember me arranging your clothes?
No, Rajiv. These things are not possible for you. Everybody is not like my brother. He takes so much care of our Mithai, doesn't he?
Why would someone care for Mithai, Sister Nanda? Why would anyone care? He cares about this room. The angry boy of your family is a well-organized man. Unlike me, he doesn't keep things turned all over. My clothes were causing him an eyesore. That's why he has kept them arranged.
I've never seen a more ungrateful person in my life. There's a limit to being ungrateful. These days, she gets all her clothes handy instead of searching through her whole bag. She doesn't even feel it necessary to acknowledge that. You guys criticize me always. Have you all ever realized how much ego she has?
Sister Nanda, Mithai is leaving from here. I have a lot of chores left to be done. Tell your cousin that Mithai will never touch his clothes again. And now onwards, he should arrange his clothes properly himself. His clothes might get spoiled if Mithai touches them.
Hey, did I ever say that? Huh? Did you see how angry she gets? Well, it's good in a way. It wouldn't be nice if my blazer got stained. There would be corporate clients present at the party.
I would like to know something, Siddharth. Now that you and Mithai are living in the same room, you took responsibility for the order to support Mithai. You're doing things that you have never done in your life before, be it going to the fish market or preparing the Indian sweet. While doing these things, aren't you sensing any change within yourself?
No, Rajiv. If you guys think that you all will win the challenge after a month, then you are mistaken because Siddharth Modak hasn't changed himself even a bit. I feel the same about things like marriage, love, and relationship as I used to feel before. Just that I've changed myself a bit outwardly. That's it.
Why did you even do that, Sid?
Look, earlier I couldn't communicate with you guys. Now I try and communicate a little. And that makes Grandpa happy too.
And Mithai has no contribution to all this.
Maybe there is. Look, I never deny that. Look, Mithai has done a lot for this family and me, and I really appreciate that. I truly appreciate that, seriously. In return, if I could do something for her, then that would make me very happy. But she won't ask anything from me. She will never tell me what she needs. She has a huge ego. You ask her. If she needs any help, then she can ask me. Look, Siddharth Modak doesn't like to be in a debt. He repays everything.
Debt?
We would have said repaying a debt of gratitude. Understood?
Sister Nanda, As of now, he can repay his debt by eating his food. We are preparing the ingredients for making chitoi pithe. We have to send all the items to the party venue.
Oh no, that's right. We have to get to the venue soon. Actually, if I don't eat the food, then Mithai will get a chance to lecture me.
Nanda, Mithai has become an inseparable part of Siddharth's life. Siddharth will realize that very soon. Mark my words.
Good morning, sir.
Please cross-check everything.
Absolutely,
okay?
no problem. Listen, why are the chairs lying here? Keep them on the stage. Nikita, please cross-check the names of the guests. Is the display done properly?
Okay, I'll see that.
Okay.
Just have a look at
Hurry
that
up,
one.
please get that part fixed fast. Go. Shift that to your right. To your right, yes.
Okay, everyone, please come here. I'm explaining this to everyone. Please pay attention and refer to this chart. Okay, this will be our dessert counter.
Okay.
This area. The sweet will be made here. The live counter.
Mm.
Okay. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, this is our main counter. Okay.
Aunt Opa, since yesterday we are listening to this. This is the main counter of chitoi pithe. How many times more do we have to hear that?
Shom, I hope you remember that there'll be no counter of that sweet today.
I remember, Tosha, but you must go from here now. If someone sees us together, it will be a problem. Have faith in me. Please go.
Okay, look. Unless each one of us gives 100%, the party won't be successful. Okay? Clear? Okay, Aunt Appa and Aunt Sulata, please take note that Mithai will be making this sweet. Okay? And one of you all will be at the counter to serve the accompaniments.
Yes, the molasses syrup and jaggery.
Yes, exactly. One of you will pour them in the bowls and the other one will hand over the plates. Clear? All clear?
Yes, clear. Actually, when we have a large number of guests at home, we do it the same way. But this is a huge office, so one has to write and draw diagrams to explain the idea.
Mithai.
Uncle Amresh,
Yes?
it's time to go to the base kitchen and get the ingredients ready for the sweets. Otherwise, we'll get late.
Will you go alone? Where is Shom?
So, no, Mithai can go alone.
Did you see that, uncle? Didn't I tell you? She has to pass us sarcastic comments about everything. Anyway, since you're making the sweets, it's your prerogative. Anyway, I've explained the responsibilities to everyone and now I'm going home because I need to change and come back. Okay, uncle, everything clear?
Okay, clear. Look, Mithai, if you want, I can come with you, okay? Let me know.
Mithai, I can come with you.
No, Mithai does this every day. She delivers sweets to all the outlets. I can surely do it.
So let me drop you at the base kitchen And did you book the truck or did you forget about it completely?
No, Mithai isn't so forgetful. You don't have to explain much to Mithai.
Cool. I just want everything to go fine. Okay, Ratul, you have to be in charge of the tarts and pudding section. Okay, and please make sure that the decor and the layout are done nicely. It should look professional.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes, sir. You don't worry. Go change. Everything will be taken
Okay,
care of.
I'm
Yes,
leaving.
yes.
I'll keep the layouts way here.
Mithai,
Hmm.
don't worry at all. You have my full support.
I know that. There won't be any problem, Brother Ratul, because the Lord is always there to help Mithai.
Here you go. Your lord gave it to me. Mithai, I'm asking you repeatedly. You have to be careful. Come on. Come on, I said.
Come, come.
Come. Let's go.
They kind of look like real husband and wife these days, don't they?
Yes. We will also look the same.
What?
Yes. I and Rudra.
Nipa, you need to rest a little. Please go get some rest. Please, please. Nipa, go get some rest.
Come.
Please, please.
Come with me.
Oh, hey, you are Som. Good you have arrived here. According to Siddharth's plan, a little work is needed here. Please get it arranged, okay?
So these counters will be dedicated to tarts, puddings and crumbles, and rest will be... I can understand everything, Uncle Amrish. But I don't think Siddharth will be finally able to pull this off.
What are you saying, Som? Why are you suddenly saying this? Tell me clearly what exactly do you want to say?
No, nothing. Just a second. Brother Som, is there any problem? You can tell us. We have time. We can fix it. No, Ratul. It's not about any particular problem. I'm talking about the whole plan. Look, Siddharth had planned that Aunt Sulata, Aunt Appa and Nanda will serve in a corporate party of this huge magnitude. Ratul, did you see how huge this party is? Did you see the crowd? One needs proper training to handle this. How will Mithai handle so much all by herself? Getting all the sweets and ingredients for the particular dish to be served. She has taken all the responsibility on herself.
Som, first tell me something. Why do you have so many problems with Mithai? No, tell me about one incident to date where she has messed up. So many workers has resigned on New Year's Day, but Mithai managed it all involving everyone. Remember one thing, Som. Today a person like Samresh has supported Mithai's idea. If your apprehensions were right, it wouldn't have happened.
Brother Som, let me go and help Mithai. Let me accompany her to the base kitchen. No. I didn't mean to say that. Since you all have so much confidence in Mithai, I might be wrong. I hope everything will go well.
Shom, can you come with me? I need to discuss the desserts with you.
Okay, let's go. Ratul, I'll be back.